All right, let's do XRP now while jamming out to some freaking sick beats. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the Fibonacci on the daily. Like I said before, I don't really like taking it all the way from here. I would rather take it from here to here. We got a little bounce off the 38.2, right? We also technically got a bounce off the 44-cent region because it did bounce off of there. Ultimately, though, this is where Trading Room app on Twitter says would be a good buy area is 39 cents. Maybe he took it from there to there and is using the 78.6. It's a possibility. For me, I do from here to here, and really 3967 seems like a good area. I don't know if it's ever gonna get past this right here. Getting below here will be very difficult, to be honest. That's the 44-cent region. I could see it coming down to 44 cents for sure. So I might stack in some buys at 44 cents and the 50 fib level, even though usually it comes down to the 61.8. The other thing, though, that I'm thinking of, this area right here, possible, but that's pretty close to this area, and there's no fib level, so I respect the fib. Usually, I respect the golden ratio the most, but with everything that's happening with XRP, this might 44 cents. First average buy-in, a little, maybe buy a little bit here, and then put a lot in right here, put the rest in right here. Could be a possibility. I'm just saying, if we do take it from here to here, that's the only thing. If we take it from the bottom to the top, this area does have nice confluence with all of this area, right? With all of that. So it's a difficult one. Don't know if I'm going to take my chances at 35 cents, 36 cents. Probably just dollar cost average my way in here, and then at 44 cents, and then buy again at 39 cents, because it's just, I'm gonna hold this one out. I'm just holding it. I just want to hold it until it's like $10. I missed out at 25 cents, but fucking get in at 44 cents. Get in at 44 cents. Get in at 40 cents. 39 cents. Right. It's a good area because looking back, see if there's more. Anything else? This was the area. This is what I was talking about before. I said this area right here is the buy area. The perfect buy area is 28 cents to 26 cents. God, I am so infuriated by this. It is beyond infuriation at this point. In fact, I'll use BitMEX. I'll use this chart because XRP is respecting this chart more than the Tether chart, right? So if I just redo what I just did, right, I'll Whoops, I didn't want to do that. I want that. Yeah, from here to here, 61.8, 40 is. See, this is 40 cents right here. So, can you not fucking do that? So stacking in at around 41 cents. It's a good idea. And then stacking in some more. If it falls down to this level, it's a good idea. This is 30. Hmm. $0.39. I just don't know. It's difficult to say. It's difficult to say. Let's go to 4 hour. Bring it back. Actually, let me just see this real quick. Is there any other like heavy support resistance levels? I think this one's pretty big. This is at 42 cents. It's frightening. This would ride this EMA pretty well. Yeah, so maybe get it again at 41 cents. 41 cents would be a good area. Because if it gets rejected over here, there'll be some wicks at the 41.416. Yeah, maybe 416, 414. I'll just stack orders in over here. I'll just say stack orders in this area. First one, and then the second one would be 39, around 39 cents, right? Yeah. Man, Ripple really makes me sick. 39 cents. I'm just, honestly, fuck. I'm 41 down to 39 cents. 41 down to 39. It could go, dude, at this point, I'm just going to be fucking stacking my orders in, and I don't plan on selling it until after the bull run is over. I'm not planning on like actively trading pretty much anything until the bull run is over, except for on my $1,000 account where I have my very, very particular strategy that I have all of my videos for you in that Crypto Elite strategy course, the other course that I, put up for you guys. So I'll start stacking in my orders at 41 cents, 40 cents, 41 cents, 40.5, 40, 39. Just keep on adding in. It's nearly double what it was, but whatever. It's going to be $10 in like probably 3 years, maybe even less. So still a 10x, 20x. It's about 20x proposition. It's not too bad, right? So put $1,000 in there, get 20,000. Better than what you're gonna do in pretty much any other investment. So that was this. Good fucking ADA. Oh, let me just look at XRP. Yeah, it's looking like XRP might start, coming down a little bit. And then this is still pretty high, so it needs to come down, reset. So I think it has some time to come down to these levels. Looking at ADA. Fibonacci. Got rejected off the 61.8 golden ratio Fibonacci. It's on its way back down. So take from the low to the high. So here's the 61.8. So I would get in right above the 61.8. I would get in right here. This is where I'm going to stack my orders. I'll say create an alert. Buy ADA. At the 61.8 retracement. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Retracement. There you go. So this is my thing for ADA. Is right here. It'll probably come down. If I bought it, I could have bought it right here. You could have seen on the 4 hour it reached this level. Wait. Oh my god. Maybe it touched this level. Now it's on its way back up. Because we did have a 11%. Damn. This could be like this. Sort of like an ABC type thing. And then back up. And then forget these two things. It's like ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or it could have been like this. Two. That looks all right to me. Fuck, I don't know if this is like this could have been the thing that was hit. This literally could have been it. But how's it doing on the EMAs? It's getting rejected off the EMAs right now, right? And like I said, Bitcoin still has some time to go down. So projection for ADA is that. This is my projection for ADA. These are craters on the moon. Okay. I'm going to place my orders in here. Once again, ADA could be a $3 coin in 3 to 5 years. So can you imagine getting in at 7.5, 8 cents? And it's worth like $3. That's absolutely insane. Biggest potential growth, in my opinion, is ADA. XRP, let me just, okay, 4 hour. It's riding these. I think because Bitcoin's probably going to fall because of what we did before. Yeah, this right here. I think it's going to fall. That's why I think this is going to fall as well. Stacking my orders in between 441. Let me put some alerts in it, actually, because I want to put some fucking alerts in because I don't want to miss it in case it actually happens. Just gonna say order stacked. These are gonna be like, this isn't like day trading anymore. I want you to know this. This is like long term fucking swing trade. Exactly what I'm doing. Tree 1 XRP. And then I'll just fucking do this. Tree 2 XRP. And I'll say this will be my biggest one, will be right at 40 cents-ish region. Okay, more here. Hopefully this comes down and this comes up. They'll meet right around this area. Let's see the fib. All right, so this is interesting. I took the fib from the bottom, from the bottom to right here, right? But if you take this fib, this doesn't necessarily line up with the Fibonacci. But if you take it from here, lines up with the 38.2. So that makes me want to take the original one from this level as well, which would mean that the 61.8 is right here and the 78.6 is right here, which is, 38 cents. So I'll stack another order in at 39 cents just because. Last order. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do for XRP. Hope that these get hit. They don't. If these don't get hit, I don't even know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take all of my money, put it into fucking Tron. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. But, yeah, this is what I'm thinking. I just wish there was some fucking... It might even come all the way down to this level, to be honest. It might come down here. I just want to keep on stacking. I just want to keep on fucking stacking. Like, I've been waiting for Bitcoin. Like, the other thing is, though, fucking Bitcoin, right? The other thing is, if Bitcoin comes down here, right, and it does this, and it comes down to this level, and we fucking see it get rejected off here and come all the way down to 6,300, 6,250, somewhere around this area, 6,270, and it breaks through this support line right here, through this trend line. Say it breaks through this, and then it goes all the way down to 6,000, and then it goes all the way down to this area, 5,800. It's like, what's gonna happen with the alts? Have to always keep that in mind. So if that happens, I'll probably short at the EMAs, take profits, and keep on taking profits to ride the trend. But a lot of people are calling for 5,800 Bitcoin. A lot of people are calling for even down here, 5,000 level. So I'm just afraid that the alts are fucking taking off, and the alts are gonna have alt season first. Either way, you already know my strategy. come November, I don't give a fuck where the prices are. I'm throwing my money in here. November 1st, maybe late, maybe the last week in October. And honestly, put them in the last week of October. Put them into XRP, ADA, 0x. Definitely put in 0x. Put into a couple other ones. Maybe even IOTA, Polymath, ICX, probably GVT. There's a few other ones I want to put it into, and just literally just letting it ride, just not even like touching it, until January. So because if you look at this, if you look at the cheat sheet I have, then wherever the fuck it is, I know I put it up here somewhere. Docs. This is it. Here it is. Bitcoin has crashed 35% 4 years in a row now, starting 24 days before Chinese New Year, February 5th. So it's a good idea to exit all Bitcoin's position before January 10th. But, it's always happened. It's always went up. So you should read these. Don't buy at resistance levels unless inverse head and shoulders is present, and then set a tight stop loss. I need to fix this. Make your order a little above the exact levels you look at so that you get in just in case it misses your targets by a little. Also, sell a little earlier or a little later or a little under your target areas so you ensure you get your profits. Remember, focus on not losing money. If you focus on not losing money and you have a good risk management, then the market will help you get money over the long run. Buying breakouts through the resistance levels, that's a great strategy. Buying support levels is also a great strategy. Remember those, right? Anyway, that's what I'm doing for these couple things right here. Let's check this one out. How's this doing? Well, doing nothing. I don't want to be on this. Anyway, talk to y'all later. See you in the Telegram. Peace out.